Today is Thursday, October 30th, and your main weather highlights around southern Indiana and the Louisville area is that we see this low pressure system is slowly to the east of us, and it's going to continue heading off into the east. But with that provides wraparound showers that we're going to be dealing with this morning, and then those will gradually clear as we head throughout the late afternoon into the early evening. We are going to be dealing with some blustery conditions, wind gusts 20, 25 miles per hour. Looking at the radar, you can see those wraparound showers across the area. And if I actually throw the METAR data up for the temperatures, you can see temperatures are in the mid 40s and again, scattered light showers. The 30s are a little further off to our northwest, so we're not getting that cool at this time. Now, let's take a look at the cloud cover across the area. And so we're looking at the high resolution model. And if we put this into motion, you can see where this counterclockwise flow still has these clouds streaming over us. But if I actually go forward right around 3 p.m., so 3 to 4 p.m., it looks like we may see, and again, this is just a computer model, but we may see those clouds starting to shift off to our east. So again, this afternoon, be looking for some gradual clearing. You might actually spot the sun, and that should get more clearing as we go throughout the evening. If we go ahead and clear it out, you'll see that by the time we get to 8 p.m. tonight, the sky should be mostly clear. As for winds today, since we talked about that's one of our stories, the wind direction as we put this into motion is really just mainly going to be off to the north-northwest. Especially, it's more out of the north than the northwest, just simply because of that counterclockwise flow around that low pressure system. But as you can see here, some temperatures in the low 50s, and as we actually stretch this out, this would be around 2 p.m. You can see widespread mid 50s, but you can see that dividing line there where you're going to see the clouds. So if you're under the clouds, upper 40s. If the clouds start to break, again, predicted around 3, 4 p.m., then you might be able to get enough solar radiation to bump up into the low to mid 50s. And then as far as wind gusts are concerned, you can see that throughout this morning, this wraparound. Now I know this is showing values of 27 and 30. That's not what it's going to be. It's going to be more, probably about half of that. So around 15. So we're going to see sustained winds of 8 to 10 miles per hour all day, and then some gusts from time to time upwards of 20 miles per hour. But that's really going to persist across the area until about 5 o'clock, 4 or 5 p.m. this afternoon. And then it'll start to slowly subside across the area as that low pressure moves off into the east. Future radar is going to show the same thing. It's going to show some of these wraparound showers. And you can see that with the clouds, they slowly head off to the east as well. So today's almanac across the area, you can see we are still below average. The average temperature is 65 degrees. We had a little bit of precipitation after midnight this morning, but we'll see no more after we get through these showers this morning. Then we have the bus stop forecast. We're going to keep 70% chance of showers this morning. Just, again, those wrap around. But by this afternoon, breezy and cloudy conditions, 54 degrees is what we will be looking for. And really, across the whole area, we're going to be looking for that gradual clearing this afternoon. And temperatures, the further west you are, temperatures may be getting up towards 55 degrees. The further east, you're going to hang on to that cloud cover just a little bit longer. But our 7-day forecast across the area, look at the sunshine that enters the picture for Halloween. Is going to be gorgeous to get out and trick or treat. And then we're going to see temperatures slowly rebound into the lower 60s by the beginning of next week. So there you have it. That's what we're looking for today. We're almost out of those gloomy skies, so hang on just a few more hours and you'll have a nice but cool fall evening to enjoy, and then setting up for a wonderful Halloween. Hope you have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you back here tomorrow.